Welcome to my pregame video. I will see you very shortly, but here's a preview of what is coming up while the boys watch football. Hello, welcome to Elisa Marie Designs. I just escaped to my bedroom. Welcome back if you're back. Welcome if you are new. This is not the normal, but it seems to be that I can't find an area in my home where I can have 5 minutes apiece to hear myself think. I came upstairs, they come upstairs. I go downstairs, they go downstairs. And I'm not carrying any more of my stuff up and down the steps. So I finished my angel. And I told you guys that when I finished my angel, or I finish any canvas, what do? Well, I pin it up. I sit and look at it for a while. I decide, am I going to frame it? Am I just going to pin it to my art room that I can't get into, by the way? I can't get into that room either. What am I going to do? How am I going to finish it? I have so many ideas for finishing a canvas that are not, gluing it to a piece of board or, anything else that I've seen. And once I get done my night's rest muka, I am going to reveal the what I'm doing with those. So I'm looking at my angel. I have some frames from the thrift store that I want to frame. Hopefully that she fits in there, and then hopefully I have something complimentary for him, because they're going here once this room is done. And now John just informed me this wall may not be here for long, because he might want to break through this room into the next room, which is my art room. I'm going to rent a studio space. I swear to God, I am. I need to get out of this house. I'm going to rent a studio space, and nobody's going to find me, because I'm not even going to give them the address. But this is where I had decided that I wanted to hang these in our room. Okay. Anyway, but what I also do is, usually my nails last me for about a month. And I figured, well, what do I do? Like that's one of the things that I do. I put a new set of nails on. Now, this was the modus apparatus for a long time. Nail extension gel. I have the UV light in my closet over here, and I was doing that during the pandemic. And I didn't mind, because we all had a lot of time on our hands during the pandemic. And so I was doing my gel nails, and I was, being very particular with them, length and design. And it just gave me something creative to do pre-diamond painting. Now Fufi's in the middle of all the nails that I have on the bed. So upon finding out about diamond painting through Temu, of all places, I started to venture into other areas of Temu. And it really was because the first pair of press-on nails were making a comeback. And I was like, this is so like 1970. I don't even think were we doing press-on nails in the 80s? We may have, yeah, maybe early 80s. And I ordered a pair of Glamnetic. And these lasted me a full 2 weeks with their glue. And I was like really impressed. Like, I was putting my hands in water. I was cooking. I was washing dishes, doing everything. I was just waiting for them to fall off, and they never did. I had to take these off. Glamnetic makes a great, and I'm sure you guys see me in this set. They have like it's like the French gold trim. So that's what got me started. And then every time I bought something on Shop Pay, that's what I was doing. I was using my Shop Pay to buy nails. And then I went into Ross, and I found, is it Ross or Home Goods or whatever, one of those stores. And they had a bunch of kiss nails that you press on. I don't think I wore these yet. These are really kind of long. Like, if I'm going on vacation, maybe these will come out. Maybe. So I had those. Then, now I got Fufi over here. All right, so the rest of these, I'm sure you guys see me in these. I don't think I've ever done like my own handmade nails. I think I was just over that by the time I started diamond painting. But I'm going to spin you around. Here's Fufi, making biscuits on the bed. So these, very nice, something different. I thought Valentine's Day. These are probably already, what, a couple years old? Did I have these on already? I may have had these on already. Now, anything in here I've had on already. All right. Very sweet, these two. May have had those on. I don't know what I was thinking here. I just don't even like the color. I may have had these on already. I kind of go for that kind of gold trim. Like that. I think I had these on already. I can't remember what diamond painting I was doing, but I did have those on already. I'm going to put these away, because then I'm going to show you what I'm using now. These I don't know. These I think I did have on already. Yep, I had these on already for one of my diamond paintings last winter. I have worn these. I know you guys have seen these. These are all Temu, by the way, other than the ones that I showed you in Ross that were like super long. I don't know what I was thinking here either, so I'm going to get rid of those. I think I may have had these. If they're loose like that, I've had them on. Okay, so these are all Temu. They come like with more than 10 nails to use. Okay, now I continued to look through Temu and I found that they have a handmade nail. And I was really interested, and that's what I have been wearing. These are all handmade. They come 10. They have like what I would do with my gel nails. I would do like art designs on them. I didn't get a chance to wear my Halloween ones. Look how cute they are. And they have like little charms on them and all, like little pumpkin. And they're very comfortable to wear, because I had a pair on, but I think I threw them away after I was done with them. Look at the little spider and all. Very cute. Hold on. Foofy's still making biscuits. These I was going to wear for the new year, and I don't know what happened. I do get these a little bit larger. I usually get a medium would fit me, but these are coming from China, and so everything seems slimmer and smaller there, so I do need a large with when I order from them. Oh, these are really pretty. These are the mermaid nails. I love these. I'm probably going to, if I do mermaid in May or mermaid in March, I'll have those on. Did I wear these already? I wore these already. Yep, the butterflies. I had these on for one of my diamond paintings. Oh, probably chosen because of the butterfly. Here's another set of the Halloween ones with the cat. Hand painted. Really, really, really nice. Which one's this? Another great set. I love these. Love those. And what's here? Oh, these are just fun. These are like cartoonish. But look at the shine on them. And then they have, some of them have that, magnet that goes through there. You know, when you do the cat's eye, you use a magnet. I did all that too. I have so many in my closet. If I open my closet now, you're going to say, do you have a nail salon? I mean, I have the light in there. I have all different polishes, all different tools, to, different brushes to do the nails. And I'm doing them on my hands. Look at this. How cute. With the little fish. This is all Temu. So cute. Look at the little paw print. And I watch them do these. And so they do these where the nails are actually on a stand and they're hand painting them. I'm like, if I had known that, I would have done my nails that way. I was doing them while they were on my hands. And it's really difficult. Is there a second set in here? No. This is just the mermaid. Look at those mermaid ones. I love the shell on there. So pretty. This might be, for me, mermaids in May and not mermaids in March. I think there's another set in there. Is there? Can't tell. I don't know why I would put two sets in here. Maybe because the bag was bigger. No, I have all my nail brushes in there and all. But really cute. Check them out. Go to Temu. They're under $10 and they're handmade. They're handmade. These all up front. These are not handmade, but these were just as pretty. These were just, I liked the little butterflies on them. I might wear them and you could take them off and you can wear them again. I might wear these again when I do the one that Cindy sent me because of the butterfly, but I still like these. I love those. And then I have to wait for the fall to come to try these ones with the little, I did have one set on that had gems on them. And everybody says to me, where'd you get your nails done at? I'm like, oh, I do them myself. Oh, I have ones in here too. Hold on. All right, well, I had these in here too because I was trying to decide which ones I was going to wear today. And the ones that I'm going to wear today are already downstairs. Love an almond shape. These are pretty. And I like something different, like a green. You see the cat's eye running through there? Really pretty. These are really pretty too. And then I thought when I was going to do my angel that, well, the male angel, because he's kind of purplish. I thought either this set, now I'm changing my mind because I have this set that I want to wear downstairs, but I think I'm changing my mind. I think I'm going to change to either this or this because he's purplish and I think I might go with the shorter one because we're going away this weekend to Cape May. So maybe I'll wear these. Okay. Anyway, I think I'm changing my mind because the ones that I have downstairs are more like this. And I think that they're purplish. Okay. So what do I use to put these on? I go right to Temu and I get their glue. This is Magic Armor glue. These will stay on until you take them off. They're not coming off. They're not coming off. They're going to stay on until you put them on, take them off. And it comes with a remover. Now, I bought this in a bigger bottle because, you know, I mean, there's enough in there. You can hear it in there, but I like having a bigger bottle of it. And then what you're going to do is like take your orange wood stick and soak your hands, or maybe when you come out of the shower, and just try and find, because I really seal mine. I seal mine really well all around the edge. So for me, it's a little bit more difficult to try and find a break in the nail where I could lift this a little bit, but I'm learning. So what I would do now is instead of putting the glue like so close to the edge, I'm going to put it more towards the center because it does spread, so that this way when I want to get them off, I can get them off. They're not going to be like so tight to my, you know, because I do get them pretty tight. I get them pretty tight in there. Let me see if I can get this way. I'm doing this all with one hand because I had to run again to my bedroom. Okay. Let's see. See, so I get like a pretty tight, my camera doesn't know what to focus on. I get like a pretty tight fit. I'm doing this with one hand. And so I really go edge to edge with the glue. So what you would do, and if you're not a maniac like me, you'll run your orange wood stick after you get out of the shower along the edge just to get a little bit of lift. But as soon as you lift it, don't go on to the next nail. Because this glue, I'm telling you, it's nuts. It'll just seal right back down. Stick the remover in there and then go to the next nail, and the next nail, and the next nail. And by the time you get back to your thumb, you're going to have more of a lift. And so you get the orange wood stick in there. I even wet it again with this stuff. And you'll have a little bit more lift. And maybe you have to do that 2 or 3 times. Then they're coming off. So that's how I do my nails. That's what I do. I put a new set on because I love canvases that are curated, and you know, with the washi tape and the wax and the putty and the pen. And I don't do all that, but I feel as though at least I can have nails that match my canvas. So now I'm changing my mind. This is the worst thing I could have did, was take everything out. But now I'm changing my mind. I'm going to go downstairs now. I'm going to lock myself in the foyer, and I have a fireplace in there, and I'm going to turn the fireplace on. I'm going to do my nails, and I'm going to do a review of Angel, and I'm going to do a video for my members, which the subscribers will get on Tuesday, which I think is a big tip, huge tip, probably one of my biggest tips. I think of all the tips that I've given you guys, I think that this tip is probably the biggest tip. And my members are going to get it. And then you guys will get it on Tip Tuesday. And then there's something else that I was looking at today. What the heck was I looking at? I don't even know. But I wrote it down because you have to write things down or you forget them like me. So, yep, I'm going to wrap all this up, put it away. I'm so happy I didn't have to take it downstairs. And they gave me 15 minutes apiece before the football game comes on that Foofy is laying on the shirt. John said this is a very This is a vintage shirt. I think he said Hawkins or Dawkins is on the back. I'm going to get in so much trouble with Philly fans. I think it's Dawkins, right? And that he was like, he's a beloved player of the Eagles. But, you know, I'm happy for the Eagles. I'm happy for our home team, but I don't know anything about football. Nothing. I know the shape of the ball. That's about it. I don't know what the lines mean. I don't know what those things are on the end. I don't know anything. Other than you can't dance or you can dance. I don't know. I only know the shape of the football. That's it. That's it. That I couldn't tell you who was playing. I don't know who anybody is, if they're loved, if they're not, if they're good, if they're bad. I don't know anything at all. I'll leave that all up to the Swifties. Anyway, all right. I will see you very, very shortly. I'm going to put everything away and move downstairs. See you in a little while. Bye.